Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's your boy Jamal back for another video. I hope everyone is doing well. Happy New Year, everyone. I know it's been a while since I picked up the camera. This will actually be my first video in 2022, so I wanted to start it off by wishing you guys a Happy New Year. So where have I been? I've been in Wisconsin for the past 4 weeks for work. I experienced cold temperatures like I never have in my entire life, so I have a newfound respect for all the people that live up north, Wisconsin, Minnesota, that Midwest area. It was freezing cold, but I'm finally back in the warm weather of Texas, and today we're just kind of filming a vlog. We're heading over to my buddy Tristan's shop. He's got a bunch of stuff that he's putting on his F-250, so I figured it would be a perfect opportunity to just pick up the camera and vlog. You know, traditionally my videos, I'm always the one doing the work on the cars, but today Tristan's got a few other buddies coming over, Andrew, Cameron, as well as his mechanic George, and they're gonna be working on his F-250, his 27, or I think it's a 2017 F-250 Platinum. But anyways, it gives me a chance to kind of just chill, relax, watch them work, hang out, maybe film some kind of a cinematic montage or something like that. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. Guys, one thing I forgot to mention is we are less than 30 subscribers away from hitting 5,000 subscribers on the channel. So if you guys could right now, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out, it really helps the channel grow, it really helps the videos get seen. And to me, it's a huge milestone to hit 5,000 subscribers. So we're less than 30 away. And so hopefully we can do it soon. That'd be awesome. So we're actually going to be taking the Corvette today, and the first order of business is to pick up Cameron because he's riding with. But I think before we do that, we're going to start things off with a cold start. So as we're headed to go pick Cameron up, I kind of wanted to give you guys another little life update. This one actually has to do with home ownership. So I'm about 10 months into home ownership, and it's been nothing short of incredible. I bought my house last April of 2021, and I'm glad I bought it when I did, because we thought the housing market was going to slow down here in Texas, but it just keeps going up and up and up and up. It's kind of scary to think about if it crashes, but I mean, I'm kind of in it now. It's been 10 months of home ownership, and I've definitely had to reprioritize a lot of things, and the cars have kind of fallen to the wayside, I feel like, a little bit, just because I've got a lot more money tied up in bills and the mortgage payment and all that stuff. I haven't been able to spend as much money on the cars, but I'm going to continue to try to make videos for you guys, even though there might not always be new products in every video. But I'm excited for the future of this channel, and something I definitely want to keep growing, and I want to be more consistent at. I know I always say that, and I struggle with it, but consistency, I'm going to try to work on that in 2021. Another thing that someone pointed out in another video that I know I'm aware of is my use of the words and while I'm talking on video. So I just said it again. So I'm going to try to work on that for 2021 and try to reduce the amount of times I say those two words as kind of fillers. Because I know it gets really annoying. I just did it again, so we're gonna work on that for this year.
Oh, dude. Am I throwing this in the drone?
Yeah, go ahead. Already got a lot of stuff.
Who got the gear?
Yeah, boy. I'm trying to fly the drone.
You're gonna bring the drone?
Yeah, it's in there.
Bro,
we'll see what happens.
Damn, I should have brought mine.
I just stop by and get some gas, man. These damn gas prices are so much. I'm gonna have to sell both my cars and get a Prius and a Tesla. It's ridiculous. We're just gonna put some gas here, and then we're gonna start our drive. It's like an hour out, so actually a pretty significant drive, but it'll give an opportunity for the old girl to stretch her legs. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived to Tristan's shop. Dude, this is a cool little place over here we got.
Yeah, you gotta check.
Weren't you gonna buy this property at some point?
Well,
This is the
Kim
same
bought
one,
it.
right?
Yeah, but we're renting it from him.
We're at Tristan's shop. He's just got 928s and 944s chilling here. Everyone reach out to T, make him an offer.
Yeah, 15 grand for both. Take the van too.
This is Tristan's truck that we're actually working on today. Well, I say we, but it's mainly.
Are you putting this on the channel?
Yeah, why not,
real?
dude? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What year is this thing? I thought it was 2017, right?
2017, yeah.
2017 F250 Platinum on the 35s, boy, looking good. So what all are you doing to it?
Well, if we have enough time, the fuel tank for sure, the airbags for sure, and then I bought a new hot side pipe and a new CCV reroute. So, replace this bad boy and then that box back there.
I got you. So this is T's like kind of main workhorse truck.
Oh, yeah.
Does a lot of towing with it and everything. So he's just putting a bunch of mods on it to make it, I guess, better for towing.
More reliable.
Yeah, more reliable for all that kind of stuff. He's got this little shop here that he's rented out, and it's pretty nice actually. All he needs is a lift. His old shop had a lift, but
Yeah, lift coming soon.
yeah,
I'm
be dope.
shopping for one.
Yeah. We could have this as a space to work on some of our cars too.
Yeah. Feel free whenever.
But the
y'all
problem
want.
is it's like an hour away. So
Yeah.
I mean, if it's worth it though, if we're doing a bunch of stuff, it'd be worth it to
Yeah.
drive out here and get on the lift and do some stuff. So pretty sweet. Damn, she looks good parked out in the grass like that, boy. We're country living now, boy. All right, we're gonna take the Sienna to go eat some lunch. All right, we're riding in the Sienna, the CE. So I guess Tristan's main business is like flipping cars, so he's always in and out of these things. Makes more money than he loses for sure. I need to figure out how to do that, but here we are, get some lunch. Bro, this taco spot is about to be dank, boy.
It's on us.
So Tristan's actually has to take the bed off to put the new fuel tank in. So right now, we're strapping it to the forklift to lift it up out of there. Andrew has joined us to help. Yeah, if you mess something up, I'm gonna get on video for sure. Here we go. Ooh.
Why is it sinking on the right side?
Flip it now. You're gonna see.
Is there anything connected? Yeah, you got that. Hold on.
The bed came off. I just set the camera down to help.
Thank you. Check out that forklift, baby.
The forklift doing work, baby.
And we could eat in the office.
You got a super burrito and tacos.
Yeah, and a taco. A taco.
Dude, what is this place? Now the bed's off. First order of business is getting the fuel tank out. Andrew's down there working. Yeah.
All right, who wants to get dirty?
Not me.
What, just to drop it?
Out with the old and with the new.
Oh my god, diesel slippery.
right, that's about where it goes. Yeah.
The new fuel tank is in. We're just bolting up the skid plate now.
Oh, this one makes it
Probably easier for one. Andrew did most of the work. Shout out. We just watched. So like with any project, we had high aspirations this morning on everything we were gonna get done. But it looks like today we're just gonna get the fuel tank in. So the airbags and the charge pipe and stuff's gonna have to wait. First start about to happen.
It says 39. Is that the tank?
Sound like it just, yeah.
That's probably the.
I'm just gonna cycle the pump a few times to.
Can't tell if it's sucking air or not. It might just be pushing air out of the return though.
I would be like looking underneath the.
It'll take a while for the.
Oh my god!
So far, so good. The important part of the movie is done. Which one is it?
That's at 15, okay? Is that 15 right there?
Okay. That was quick.
A little baby bank. Yeah, there's 15 a little bit. I don't know what the end range of those are.
Cool.
I'm sure they take a lot longer.
Alright, y'all wanna.
So we went ham on the install of the bags. Didn't film any of it,
But it's done.
but it's done.
There they are.
That only took what, like 45 minutes maybe?
Yeah.
That's pretty fast. It's
Pretty
a
simple
lot.
and
It's a
good
lot easier
instructions.
whenever you don't have the bed on the truck.
Yeah.
So we wanted to knock that out before we put the bed back on. Well, actually, it was Cameron's idea. We're about to put the bed back on, but get the bed up on the forklift. It's looking like a truck again.
Nobody?
We got the bed put back on. We're putting the spare tire back up. The airbags are in. And we're gonna call it a day right there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the camper shell is back on. We're good to go. The airbags are put in. The bigger fuel tank is put in. We still got the charge pipes left to do, but I think Tristan's gonna do that on a different day. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy it. Please comment, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Road to 5,000, let's go. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.